I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. That saves time. Make sure your Aadhaar number and the mobile link to it are at hand, because the process uses OTP verification. Next, open the UID app or Aadhaar portal. Start the Unlock Biometric option now. You do this to temporarily enable fingerprint or iris matching for SSC exam verification. Once started, the system will prompt for OTP and consent, so stay ready to enter the code quickly to proceed. Once you requested OTP, enter it without delay because it typically expires fast. Then you will see a consent screen. Read why the biometric is unlocked and grant permission for the SSC exam. Make sure you select the smallest necessary duration if the portal gives options. Shorter windows reduce risk. Also confirm your name and last 4 digits of the registered mobile. Mismatches halt the process. If everything matches, submit and note the confirmation ID for the exam authority. You finish by saving the confirmation ID and a screenshot. This proves you enabled biometrics for the SSC slot. Make sure to inform the exam helpline and attach that ID if required. If the unlock didn't take effect, try again after a short wait and verify the Aadhaar mobile is active. Delays often come from SIM issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if OTP never arrives, check mobile network, recheck the registered number, and use the alternative UID authentication options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.